started Hidden Valley Yurts in 2006. We provide pre-erected, authentic Mongolian yurts for people to come and stay in for holidays. We came up with a business idea when we met some people at a party who had a yurt campsite in Devon, and both my husband and I thought it was a light bulb moment and it could be perfect for us. And then we came across felt-lined real Mongolian ones and thought that would be an added USP and would extend our season because they're a lot warmer. So Peter went out to Mongolia and purchased some, and we've got a second side to the business which sells yurts. But Hidden Valley Yurts is all about holidays. It's quite an exclusive site. There's only 6 yurts. We've got 3 that sleep up to 5 and 3 that sleep up to 7. And it means that families can meet and bond, or they can actually book the whole site and come with their friends and family. That works really well. We've accommodated anything from sort of unborn babies through to grandpas of 86, I think was our oldest. And it does work very well for that cross-generational holiday. Gives everybody their own private space, but a chance to meet up in the middle. And that's what I really wanted to develop here, was a chance for children to be children, no televisions, no electronic devices, and the parents feel it's a really safe environment. I do meet and greet the alpacas and the sheep, and the kids just run free, play in the stream. It is all just natural. There's nothing artificial about any of it, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. It is a hidden valley. A colleague mentioned the Welsh Government's Business Wales service and suggested I contact them, and they've been absolutely brilliant. It was a one-stop shop, so we didn't have to go through endless departments, and they've given us advice in such a range of areas. The most important for me is that it finally bridged the gap and made me brave enough to take on a tourism assistant. That's a funded position for 6 months, and James knows that he's got to release enough of my time to make sure I'm bringing enough business to cover his pay at the end of 6 months. So it's a great motivation for him. The other area that's been really successful has been a business mentoring scheme. The person that they found for us works in the activities sector, and because that's an area we want to partner with, it was more useful than just having somebody who was also in tourism. And she's been absolutely brilliant, challenges lots of my preconceived ideas, and really good fun. We were talking about our desire to look into providing food, and they suggested that we contact the local authority's tourism officer, which we did. She's put us in touch with lots of local food suppliers, and we're hoping to do not necessarily foraging on the farm, but actually sending them off to find local produce, because there's a fantastic range of beautiful produce in the area, then bringing it back, and Peter wants to do a sort of ready, steady cook where they present whatever they've bought and we put together a meal, but using the wood-burning pizza oven and the Dutch oven and the campfire and the barbecues, of course. One of the best things about the service is that you can pick and choose. You don't have to take it all. You might just need maybe just the business mentoring. But for us, we took several, and it's been fantastic. We're feeling so much more motivated. The ideas are really buzzing. Even looking forward to the winter when we'll have time to put in place, you know, all of the things ready for next season.